Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best mom photo frame. A heartwarming keepsake and one of the most meaningful gift choices for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any moment of appreciation. This beautiful frame by Psbrn is more than just a decor piece. It's a memory holder crafted with love. Let's begin with the first impressions. The frame immediately stands out with its rich wood brown finish, giving it a timeless and cozy look. The phrase "Love Mom" etched into its design adds a tender personal touch, making it a fitting tribute to the most important woman in our lives. Measuring 8.5 inches in length and 6.5 inches in width, it perfectly fits a standard 4x6 photo. Whether it's a family portrait, a childhood memory, or a special candid moment with mom. In terms of build quality, Psbrn has done a great job. This frame is crafted from high-quality wood and features a semi-gloss finish that subtly reflects light without being overly shiny. The wood is sturdy and well-treated, meaning it will last for years without warping or degrading. Psbrn also uses spray painting technology to give the frame a smooth, vibrant look. And the printed patterns and lettering are both clear and resistant to fading. One of the highlights of this product is its versatility. It comes with a back stand, allowing you to place it easily on a tabletop, desk, or shelf. Whether it's showcased in the living room, bedroom, or even a home office. It fits beautifully with most interior styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalist. And if you prefer wall mounting, the frame can also be hung to enhance any wall gallery or solo display. This frame isn't just a decorative piece. It's designed with emotion in mind. Psbrn markets it as a gift from son or daughter, and that sentiment is strongly reflected in its design. It's a product that tells a story, commemorates a bond, and holds a cherished memory in place for years to come. The packaging includes one frame, ready to insert your chosen photograph and gift it as is, simple, elegant, and heartfelt. Now, let's talk about usage ideas. This makes an excellent gift not just for Mother's Day, but also for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or even just as a random act of love. Imagine presenting it to your mom with a printed picture from a family vacation, a wedding, or even a childhood drawing. It elevates the value of the photo and gives it a dedicated place in the home. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a thoughtful, budget-friendly, and beautifully crafted gift for your mother, the Psbrn Mom Photo Frame ticks all the boxes. It combines style, durability, and emotional value in a single product. It's no wonder it's considered the best mom photo frame out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.